Hi there, sweethearts. Let's see what we're going to read tonight. Pigs make me sneeze. And this really makes sense for me to read today because I've had kind of a stuffy nose. So let's see why Gerald thinks that pigs make him sneeze. I think we've read this in class before. Do you remember what happens? What do you want to do today? I wanna, yes? A what? A ball? A swim? A hat? Choo! Look at there. Piggy just went pew across the room. And he's like, are you okay? I do not know. Choo! Poor Piggy. I cannot stop choo! He knocked Piggy over again. Oh, sneezing. Oh, no. Well, what if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! Huh? What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. You hear my cat meowing outside the door? She wants in. Maybe she wants to read with us. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Oh no, that would be really bad if your best friend made you sneeze. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. That would be bad, wouldn't it? But Gerald... No, do not speak. It is too late. Let's say the next part together. Choo! Goodbye. But Gerald... Look at that. Piggy even got a little helmet. She's figuring it out, isn't she? Oh, there's Dr. Cat. Huh? There comes Gerald. Are you okay, Gerald? Well, no, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze! And Piggy is a pig! Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Look, he scared Dr. Cat too. Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. Look, he fell down. He's so upset. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. Look, he's kind of peeking. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. Poor Gerald, he's sick. I'm sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Look at that, he's happy. Why is he so happy about being sick? Piggy, great news. I think I know why he's happy, don't you? Yeah, now he gets to be around Piggy because he's not allergic to Piggy. I have a cold. Now check this out. Good for you. Oh no, Piggy caught Gerald's cold. But at least now they can be sick together. All right, you guys see the pigeon? Yep, there he is. I hope you guys have a great sleep tonight, and I love you, and I cannot wait to see you guys again at school. Bye.